Hi. So today we are having this diagram on the board. Very good. Now the question says find t. Now it's just like discussing basic facts on angle formed between one lines. So watch out. This is the shape, right? The diagram. Looking at it, that's us to find t. How do we find t? Whenever you see this type of question, just try to know if you can form a triangle. Now you should, as in you should learn these alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. That's when you see this angle and see the other one, try to know when they are corresponding, when they are supplementary, when they are complementary, when they are alternate, when they are vertically opposite. If you know this thing, know that sum of angles on a triangle is in a triangle is equals 180 degrees. Sum of angles at the point is equals 360 degrees. Sum of angles on a straight line is equals 180 degrees. My dear, if you really know this, and believe me, this type of questions will be very what? Simple to solve. So first of all, if I want to find the value of t, what do? I try to, if you want, this thing means that these two lines are what? Parallel, meaning that they can never meet. So if I try to extend this line, now what can you see? You've seen that there is a triangle that are formed up. Does it make sense? Now, this is the triangle. And know fully well that inside this triangle, if I know this area and I know this area, I found t because some of the angles inside this triangle must give me 180 degrees. Now, my main aim will be to find the value of these two places. Can you see it? Now, if I call here A, I can equally call here B. Does it make sense? Now, what will be 120 plus A? What will it give me? Now, 120 plus A, since they are on a straight line, they must give me what? 180 degrees. Now, 120 degrees plus A will give me 180 degrees, right? Reason, because sum of what? Angles on a straight, sum of angles on a what? Straight line will give me what? 180 degrees. Does it make sense? So if you collect like terms, so you have that A is equals 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. So you have that A is equals 60 degrees. So we've gotten here to be what? 60 degrees. We hold that. Now, how can I find this B? Now, knowing fully well that these are parallel lines, they cannot meet. If you consider this as a transversal, that's a line cutting through parallel lines. Here is corresponding to the angle here. So if here is 130 degrees, here must definitely be what? 130 degrees. Can you see it? Now, can you see B and 130 degrees? They are equally on a straight line. Therefore, we say that B plus 130 what? Degrees will still give me 180 degrees. Reason, sum of angles on a straight line will give us 180 degrees. So if you make B subject of formula, you have that B is equals 180 degrees minus 130 degrees. So I have that B is equals what? 50 degrees. Can you see it? So I've gotten that here is what? 50 degrees. Now it means that I'm having a triangle. I'm having a triangle now in this what? Order. So here is the t that we are looking for. Here has to be 60 and here is what? 50. Now how do I get t? We know that sum of angles inside the triangle must give us 180. So it means that t plus 60 plus 50 degrees will give us what? 180 degrees. So I have that t is equals, if you collect like terms, it will be equals 180 minus 60 minus 50. Because when both of them leaves, or you do 60 plus 50, 110. If you move over here, it will be minus 110. So I have that t is equals 180 minus 60 is 120. 120 minus 50 is what? 70 what? Degrees. So the value of t is what? 70 degrees, and that's our final answer. Please, if you find my videos interesting, support this movement by sharing, liking, and commenting. Bye bye.